Well, welcome to the start of the European International Cup, the first group stage game of this pre-season tournament.
Yeah, and these tournaments, much more of a big deal these days, and the fans certainly play a bigger part.
Our match today is Wolverhampton Wanderers against Atalanta.
And here is the way Wolves are set out for this vital fixture. We put it up as a 5-2-3. It could be 3-4-3, couldn't it, if the wide players get forward from the back?
Yeah, I think it's one of those, it could be anything. The manager...
And shoots! He's refused. Stevenson looks the goalkeeper in the eye. Letting the shot go! And it's gone for a corner. Can go in from here, on the move and able to take the lead. It's a fast start here.
They deserve that goal. They've been the better team early on.
Well, he gets the credit, and the credit was being in the right place at the right time.
Yeah, I think the easiest goal he will score this entire season.
Wolverhampton Wanderers have this lead. Briand. Stevenson. Looking for teammates in the middle. Corner given. Your goalkeeper all that distance away. Mason. The score! It's in! Fine moment for them. They've got a firmer grip on the game now. They're 2 ahead. Well, you get a lot of satisfaction as a goal scoring forward for knocking one in from that distance. You know you're in the right place.
No, it was a poacher's effort. The final finish wasn't difficult, but to get there, it took a little bit of instinct. Well, I know this manager's been working hard on the training ground on a certain shape, and boy, is he getting results out there.
Just it's gone out for a throw-in. Crisp defending there. Marilongo! That will be a corner.
Well, this crowd hasn't seen too many chances for their side, but I can sense something here. Could be a turning point.
Swung in from the corner. Just a mistake, really. He's not even asked too much of the opponent. It's just... And shoots! It's a drive of some power, but off target.
Yeah, unlucky. Didn't quite get set for that one.
Trying to get the ball in behind. Brilliant pass, can he finish it? Shots on here. It's a goal! Well, they've increased their lead here, and that could just wrap up the match.
Yeah, the much better team out here today, and that scoreline reflects that.
Well, let's take another look at the goal.
Oh, he's loving it, the manager. He's seeing his team playing really well, just what he was asking for.
Well, this is a truly outstanding start to the game. A fantastic first half. Oh, he's through. He's in the clear.
Delightful touch to score the goal.
Well, he's doubled up here with his second goal, and he took it in excellent style, just like the first one. Well, I want to see this again, this goal. Well, sometimes games take a while to ignite. Not this one, not for this team.
Well, the referee has brought to an end what has been a very surprising first half.
Well, what a player. What a performance in that first half, Alan.
Oh, it was a top performance in that first half. Couple of goals for him, and everything he tried came off. He scared that defence to death.
Well, we wonder if the second half's going to be like the first, one-sided. Rigoni. Gomez. Oh, he's cut that out well read. Rion.
Stevenson.
Threading it through. Just the keeper to beat. He's in now. And he scored! Two for him on the day, and two very well taken goals. Well, here's the goal again.
Well, I know this manager's been working hard on the training ground on a certain shape, and boy, is he getting results out there.
I have to say, it's so one-sided today, but all credit to the team that are racking up the goals.
Rion. Here's the chance to get in the cross.
All about picking the right pass now as he cuts it back. Tried to find the winning ticket in the raffle, but a couple of numbers short.
Yes, he took it early, though.
Rigoni. Just working away. Shot on! That's a good block. Utter. Well, we're two-thirds of the way through the 90 minutes, half an hour to go. Really in the clear now. Oh, it's got to be. Well, the player who hasn't been operating at this level has shown that he can, because he's got the goal.
You never quite know if a reserve player can make the step up, but he's not comfortable in this company here.
Came close to goalkeeper, actually did get a touch on it, but I think it was a pretty good effort to do that much. Well beaten, really.
Yeah, I don't think you can blame the keeper, Martin. He's looking at his defenders. Why was the lad given so much space? Well, it's great when a plan comes together, and the manager doubly delighted with the way his team are playing.
Saw that coming and intercepted. And here's the shot. Kept his concentration, the goalkeeper, and because of that, kept hold of the ball.
Yeah, he seems to fill the goal, this lad. He's quite an imposing keeper.
And here's the substitution now.
Well, he's done his bit. He got the goal that put his team in the lead.
Still got a bit to do, but this is promising. All about picking the right pass now as he cuts it back. Well, he's certainly going to get another game, Alan, because he scored a second time.
Well, he's been banging them in for the reserves, and he's proved that this level is not beyond him.
Well, if it wasn't wrapped up before, Alan, it certainly is now.
Yeah, no mercy from this side. I'm thinking about goal difference, I think, now.
A good look here, again, by the replay of the goal. Trying a bit too hard, trying to force the pass, and it went straight to an opponent. That's it, the match is finished. A win for Wolves. Well, look at that scoreline, and it emphasises what we've seen in the shape of the game as well. Very one-sided.
Well, from the first whistle, they were on top, and it never altered for the entire 90 minutes. Wonderful stuff.
What a brilliant performance from this fella.
Well, so often we think of his creative abilities, but a couple of goals here have won the match for his team.